budget is totally disappointed budget. In order to keep Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, special grants have been given to Bihar and Andhra. As far as Karnataka is concerned, they have not given any of our requests or demands which were made in the pre-budget meeting. Convened by Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented her seventh consecutive budget on July 23rd for the fiscal year 2024 to 2025, surpassing the previous record. This is the first budget by the BJP-led NDA government since its re-election in June. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced employment as the theme for the Union Budget 2024 to 2025, with each letter representing a priority: employment and education, MSMEs, productivity, land, opportunity, youth, middle class, energy security, new generation reforms, and technology. The PM package includes 5 schemes with a total allocation of 2 lakh crore, focusing on education, employment, and skills, with 1.48 lakh crore dedicated to education, employment, and skilling. A special scheme, Purvodaya, aims to develop the eastern region, including Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. The budget focuses on regional development, particularly in Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, with infrastructure development and financial support. Opposition parties criticized the budget for prioritizing Andhra Pradesh, ruled by TDP, and Bihar, ruled by JDU, with large allocations for development. The new regime raises the standard deduction to 75,000 and increases long-term capital gain tax to 12.5% for simplification. The budget includes employment-linked incentives, internship opportunities for 1 crore youth, and loans up to 10 lakh for higher education. Newly hired employees will get up to 15,000 in 3 installments if their salary is under 1 lakh per month. This initiative targets 2.1 lakh youths. Employers will be reimbursed up to 3,000 per month for 2 years for each new hire, aiming to create 50 lakh new jobs and support 30 lakh youths. Additionally, a scheme will provide internships to 1 crore youth over 5 years and facilitate rental housing for industrial workers through public-private partnerships. To empower women, 3 lakh crore is allocated for schemes benefiting women and girls, including hostels and women-specific skilling programs. The agriculture sector will receive 1.52 lakh crore with initiatives for natural farming and agricultural research. Rural development will see an allocation of 2.66 lakh crore with a focus on introducing natural farming to 1 crore farmers over 2 years. For Bihar, the budget includes funding for airports, medical facilities, sports infrastructure, and highways. Support for Andhra Pradesh includes 15,000 crore with additional future support for the Polavaram irrigation project and capital investments. For MSMEs and manufacturing, the budget introduces term loans for MSMEs without collateral, a 100 crore guarantee fund for MSME credit, a technology support package, and 24 new SIDBI branches. Financial initiatives include an increased Mudra loan limit to 20 lakh and higher education loans up to 10 lakh with government e-vouchers. A tech platform will improve the insolvency and bankruptcy code, and rules for foreign direct investments will be simplified. Infrastructure and development will receive 26,000 crore for road connectivity, a mission for recycling critical minerals and auctioning offshore mining blocks, and 10 lakh crore for affordable housing. The PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana will provide solar panels for 1 crore houses. In the nuclear and space sectors, the budget supports developing small reactors and nuclear technologies and aims to expand the space economy with 1,000 crore venture capital fund. Cost changes include cheaper items like mobile phones, chargers, accessories, gold, silver, platinum, certain cancer medicines, ferronickel, blister copper, solar panel, manufacturing goods, critical minerals, shrimp, and fish feed. Costly items include telecom equipment, plastic products, and ammonium nitrate. Tax changes include an increased standard deduction for salaried employees from 50,000 to 75,000 in the new tax regime and an increased capital gains exemption limit on financial assets to 1.25 lakh per year.